The Avo Syncro Nicaragua Fogata, Toro Especial, was inspired by the Spanish word for campfire, Fogata, and the love of memorable moments around a fire, reflecting a departure from the typical Avo cigar profile. It was released as a follow-up to the first Avo Syncro Nicaragua, incorporated bold Nicaraguan tobaccos from Esteli and Condega, blended with Dominican fillers. The blend aims to provide a balanced yet intense experience with notes of spicy sweetness, coffee, cedar, and citrus, contrasting with the original Syncro Nicaragua's profile. This specific cigar continues the legacy of Avo Uvezian, the jazz pianist and cigar aficionado who co-founded the brand. The cigar's vitola is a Toro, 6-inch by 54 ring gauge.